Hello, good morning, fans. I want to show you these items. This gas soldering. So I ordered it last 2 months. So I now say I should show you because I don't want to bring ground video for you on this platform. So I have tested and I see that it's working perfectly. So this one you are seeing here is the gas. Is the gas. So this one, if you want to eat phone or if you want to remove IC, so you can use this. You just cool it up here. And this one is for soldering iron. Why I bought this gas lighter is that in this my shop, I don't use light at all. I only use solar. I use solar in my shop. So sometimes if there is no sun, I now think that I must have this gas lighter. So I normally use this gas lighter when there is no sun to power the solar. You understand? I will still bring video for how I install my solar with little amount inside my shop. So you too, you can also do that. So this is the gas. First of all, I want to fill the gas. I want to teach you how you can fill the gas. So maybe whenever you buy your own, so that you can able to fill six. So this is the this is the gas lighter. Now you now can you see this points and this? So you have to put it together and press the can. One, two, what do you do? I say it because it's entry the gas lighter. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? That is the first step. So this is the gas. Cover this one back. So now how to use this to the iron? You need gas lighter again. Mhm. So let us try the soldering first. As you can see on your screen, scroll it gently. Listen it. So this gently. So see here, the right off on. This off on is meant for this. You have to, if you want to on it, you have to squeeze it to the right side. If you want to off it, you off it like this. But if you want to use it now, just on. You will hear a little sound. So that means the gas is coming out. So at this point, you have to light it with this lighter. Have you seen it? It's not lighting up. So you have to increase it a little bit. Don't let it to too much. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So increase it a little. Have you seen it? Can you hear the sound? So you will now leave it maybe 3 minutes. It has off. I have to light it up again. It's like the breeze is stopping it. So I will now cover the hair. This is where I'm going to. Have you seen that red light? That is what we need. So after you see the red lights, you will now load the volume. Little, you will low it, or you can leave it like this, because this one is not much. So can you see it? So where is my soldering lead? As you can see on your screen, can you see it? Can you see it? So let me now test the soldering lead, liquid lead. Can you see it? 100% is working. Very soon I will bring video how I use it to fix charge point without electric soldering iron. All engineer must have this. Can you see it? It's working perfectly. Let me bring the rope on, the rope lead. Can you see it? It's working 100%. 100% is working. 100%. Can you see on your screen? 100% is working. Are you seeing it? So that is how it look like. So my fellows engineer, you must have this. I bought this gas soda iron 7,000 naira. I now bought the can 4,000 naira at Ikeja. So that is it. So let me now teach you how you can use the second one. If you want to off it, this the off. So you have to scroll it back. It will off. See, it has off. So let me now show. I will let it to cool down. I will need to pause the video so that if it cool down, I will show you the second one. Let me pause the video. So you can see I now put the second one for eating form of remove charging points. This one is for it or reboil IC. You can also use this IC where spool it on the gas lighter. So you will take your gas lighter on it. Mm, Let me if you want to on this gas lighter, don't do it like this because this gas lighter is very effective. So if you light it like this, it's going to burn your hand 100%, trust me. But you have to light it like this. Can you see it? So light it like this. This in it. This in it. So this is how this one work. Can you see it on your screen? So you can use to remove. Can you see it has burned my table? It's very effective. So you can use it to remove charging points. For example, now I want to remove this diode. So You have to lower it a little. Can you see it? It has removed it 100%. Have you seen it? Without using a workstation. So I will recommend this gas lighter. So whenever you want to use this gas lighter, don't use it where there's breeze. Have it in your mind. Don't use it where there's breeze. So because it can off the lights. You understand? So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.